Welcome to the channel. If you're new, well, hello. And if you're a repeat viewer, hello. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Why haven't you if you're a repeat viewer? Okay, anyway, let's crack on. We're at Playa de Maspalomas today, guys. And we're going to take a walk right along the front to the beach. I don't know how far we're going to go, but we'll see. So let's do it. A 360 up. So we've got some really good views. Hopefully we're fine. We've got the sun, so hopefully we're not too bad shooting wise. As you can see, we have a hotel in front of us at the minute, which is a Suro hotel. We have a nice pool there, it seems to be. And we'll walk along the front to the beach. So we'll walk along the prom for a bit, and then we'll head off onto the beach and do a little shoot of the beach here when we get through the camera out and do some nice close-up shots and stuff for you guys. Okay, so let's head on. It's a beautiful day and it's about 24 degrees. So, you know, oh, did I mention it's February, and back home in the UK, of course, it's still raining, still cold. You know, am I missing it? Of course I'm not. I've been here a couple of days now, guys. We've got about 4 or 5 days to go. This is the first time we've been to Maspalomas. We did La Palma back in the start of December. It was quite nice, it was sort of city break with a city beach. But here we are in a proper resort. So let's just head on, see what we can see. As you can see, we've got a lot of beachfront restaurants here. Ooh, they're serving cold beer there. Ooh, we're going to have to stop up somewhere, guys, and have a cold beer, I'll tell you that now. Maybe we'll get halfway along. We'll see. Now, I don't know if you fancy it, you can actually walk all the way from here to Playa de Ingles. Apparently it takes you about an hour. But you're really going through the dunes and through the sand, so if you're going to do that, make sure you've got plenty of water and make sure you're wearing shoes because the sand does burn. So yeah, so let's head on. Now I've had my orders off Mrs. Snapshot, and while I'm out here, running past these restaurants, apparently I need to take note of some of the prices for later on in the week. We knew that. Okay, so we're heading up to the beach now, guys. It's a bit busy around this little section, as you can see. But here we go. We're carrying on. Now, doesn't that look gorgeous? Eh? Don't you wish you were here? Let's walk on. Here we go. Okay, here we are, guys. Along the beach. Now, I've never done this walk before, so it's all new to me. So let's just head on and see what we can see. if you're enjoying this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Here we go. And we're heading towards the Brewery. I think it's pronounced Brewery Hotel. No. Past the shutters. Here we go. So, as you can see, it's getting a bit quieter now. The reason for that is, of course, is we're starting to hit the dunes. No, we're not going to walk all along there. That would be a bit too far. But we'll have a wander around the corner. There's a little sort of lake / lagoon. So we'll have a little wander around for that bit. And we'll do that. That'll be a nice little walk. I'll show you what's around, eh? Okay. Let's just finish our little walk here, guys, and I'll do it with a few little close-ups of the beach. And as usual, thanks for watching.